What it do, baby?
Yeah.
Weezy out here.
Today is October 2nd, and it is National Brow Day. I've had a few people ask me how I do my brows, and as much as I don't want to do this video because doing my brows is a struggle, I might just do it. Today is your lucky day. I am doing a tutorial on how I do my brows. First, you will need something with like a mirror. Ooh, it's blinding. I use this Jaclyn Hill palette to, that way I can like hold it up close. So you need something that you can have right here. You will need a spoolie and some type of flat brush for when we're cleaning up the brows. Of course, you will need a brow pencil. I use this for like the tail end of my eyebrow, and then I use this, which is kind of lighter, for the front part. It's a little bit lighter. This is from NYX Cosmetics in the shade brown. I was using the dark brown, but that's too dark for me, like for the front part of my eyebrow. I try to create like that little ombre effect, but we're not gonna talk about it. That's like how it's looking. I've never seen anybody swatch on the palm of their hand. Wow. Y'all, I am nervous because it is a huge struggle for me to do my brows. I'm sorry, I'm just getting a makeup wipe while I'm talking. That's so rude. But like, it's a huge struggle for me to do my eyebrows because I go for a specific shape and it takes me so long to do them. Something else I use though is an eyebrow wax. I'm out of it right now, so we're not gonna talk about it. But let's dive into the tutorial. So what I do first is I brush the hairs kind of back, and the ones in the front I brush them up, brush it back like a Cadillac. When it comes down to like filling it in, I analyzed my brow a little bit because I like a high and soft arch. I don't like the arch of my eyebrows to be all pointy looking. Here we go. I start at the tail end of my eyebrow because that helps me create the arch of my brow. So I just start like right here. You just trying to yeah. And swoop. All these drips got you see, yeah. And don't worry about what it's looking like because we're gonna use concealer to clean it up. Now I brush the hairs up so they can blend in, and I start filling in those sparse areas. Everything designer, that's on me. That's why when I walk, looking like you, just trying to, yeah. Boom. Pow. Then I take my lighter brown. I start just lightly and kind of like with a flicking motion, I go towards the front and underline that brow, trying to create hair-like strokes, if that makes sense. All that for my ego, baby, we gon' keep it simple. So to make it look less harsh, there is a brush on the end. I take it and brush through that brow, honey. That way it's not looking too fake, you know? It's jumping, baby girl. And I really just like that box shape at the front. I brush and then I fill in some more. This you got you in heat. Super wet, her juices running down her knee. No stylist in the saline. Got you flogging with an icy pedal. Pretty vibes inside the mansion by the beach. That's my brow. Let me go and do the other one, and I'm gonna show y'all what I use to clean them up with. So a tip that I eventually try to live by is that eyebrows are sisters and not twins. Now, when I'm starting out with my eyebrows, I'm like, nah, baby, these gonna be some twins today. But after multiple tries, it's just time to be like, you know what? Sisters, hello. But I just wanted to, you know, throw that out there. We are Bizac. My favorite concealer of all time so far is the Can't Stop Won't Stop. The Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. I really like it because it's matte and it dries so quick. It's perfect for priming your eyes. Depending on where you live, they have it in Walmart. May have it like just wherever they have NYX. Just, you know, just look for it. Ulta for sure. Ulta. I think it's a few shades lighter. Maybe two shades lighter than the shade I had originally, because I wanted something bright to you know, like prime my eyes with, to hopefully make the colors show more. So we're not gonna talk about it. I'm going in with the other side of my spoolie with the concealer, and I'm gonna go under my brow. And I usually don't start at the beginning of my brow because I want to go ahead and get the tail of my brow cleaned up, but today my mind and wrist had other plans. Let's see, I am dragging it down. Yeah, girl, I know that you I ain't gon' keep you waiting up. If you throw it, it's gon' get knocked up. You playing hide and seek. Boom. I take my sponge and start dabbing it in. Like I said, it dries pretty quick, so when you're ready to blend, you need to just go on and get to it. Or else you gonna be in trouble. You like it what you see. Everything designer, that's on me. That's why the when I walk, looking like you, just tryna, yeah. This trip got you. Alright. My eyebrows are not twins today. Not yet. So woo! What I do for the top part of my brow is I take a flat brush like so. Sorry, it's a little dirty. And I take the foundation I plan on using for the day, which today I'm gonna go in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation. And baby, full coverage. If you need a cheap full coverage foundation, boom, here you go. I just literally take it and go around the edges and I blend outward.
All these drips got you thinking. Give me directions, I do whatever you want. Gotta fit for that heat, just to add to the fun. You light it up while I'm breaking it.
Once I get like right here, I'm not worried, but the tail part of my eyebrow, oh baby, you better be careful. Period. Then of course I go in between. Can't leave that out.
My people, baby, we gon' keep it simple. I need all that love on me. You like it what you see. Everything designer, that's on me. That's why
To blend out that top part of my brow, I'm taking this. Excuse me. I'm taking this brush and I'm just blending that out because this foundation dries pretty quick too. Alright, I'm gonna head out. I should have did this before I cleaned the top part of my brow, but oh well. I use a tinted gel. This gel is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I really like it. It makes my eyebrows stay in place the entire day, or for the entire time I'm wearing it. For the tail end of my brow, I like to pat the gel on, because if I try to like just brush it on, we all know what's gonna happen.
He's jumping, baby girl, hop on it. Yeah.
And boom, shakalaka, baby, we are done. So the reason why I put the foundation above my eyebrows instead of a concealer is because I'm already gonna put foundation on my forehead, so why not just go ahead and, you know what I'm saying. That is the end of my tutorial. I hope it was detailed enough because I really need to work on my talk-throughs. I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope you learned something. I'll see you in my next video. And before I leave, happy National Brow Day. Take care of your brows. Period. Okay, bye.
Back home smoking legal. I got more slaps than the Beatles. Foreign shit running on diesel, dog.